So one of the things that you can do over here in slide is, let's say, for example, work with the image easily. For example, I can go around over here, click and drag out the image wherever I want, click and drag out the edges right here to go ahead and resize them out as needed. Then, in order to be more precise with the resizing and placing, you can actually go around over here onto more tools and then go to position. So here you can go ahead and left align it, center align it, or right align it in the slide, or go ahead and top align it, center align it, or bottom align it right here. So you can see that these are the pixels right here. So if I were to go ahead and type in 200 pixel, then you can see that it arranges it out from 200 pixel on the y-axis. Then you can go ahead right here and type in, let's say, for example, horizontal axis. You can go ahead and change around the size right here, just like this as well. Then apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the x-axis right here, just like this right here, and change around, let's say, for example, in pixels right here. On x-axis, it's 7 pixels right here. And over here in let's say, for example, width and height, you can go ahead and change it wherever you want as well, just like this. So width and height is set, as you can see, and axis and y-axis is set as well. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and rotate this out left and right, or even go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, rotation value over here. So apart from that, you also have the layer controls. For example, you got 3 layers. So if I were to click right here in position and size, you got the move one layer up and down, or move it to the top and bottom right here, just like this as well. For example, if I were to click on this layer, I can move it to the top or bottom right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with image position and size in slide inside of Terabox in detail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe